payment you receive by simply collecting emails. It will be needing a mobile phone, computer, or any other things in your daily life to spend your time properly. So today I want to share how will you get paid $250 for free from emails. This website is called www. Hey, this is Make Money Online. In every single night, I upload a video to teach you how to make money online. If you are first time in my channel and you didn't subscribe this channel, please subscribe and click the bell button to get all the notifications from this YouTube channel. And if you appreciate my videos, smash the like button now and share more and more. If you are interested and you wanna make money online just like this and keep watching. On the other hand, I cordially request to subscribe to my first channel. This is called the Learning and Earning Tube. And if you didn't subscribe this channel, and also please subscribe and click the bell button to get all the notifications from this platform here. So let's get started. Alright, 2 steps to making $250 for free from emails. Now, step number 1, unveiling the top paying site to earn extra cash quickly from any corner of the world. Step number 2, revealing 2 methods for increasing your earnings more and more. So if you must remember that here is a disclaimer: results are not typical. Use this information at your own risk and follow the exact steps or else results will not be possible. So now I have searched on Google about Google Trends and I have written here about weight loss. Most of the people want to know about their simple keyword or title, whatever they want to know. So after coming here, I have searched on this platform about weight loss, and then there is a statistics as you can see here, and this one is United States, and past 12 months you can sense the days from here, and on the other hand you can select the categories and websites from here. And first of all, after coming here, and I will get this amazing statistics, which is Alabama 100 people, and Mississippi 97, and West Virginia 95. And then you will get lots of data from this Google Google Trends. I think you can search on different types of topics, whatever you like, or as you can see here, and there are lots of statistics or things you can get from this website here. Now I'd like to share another one. This is the first website. This is called Offervault.com. Offervault.com is a fantastic website. You can work as an affiliate marketer for selling extra cash on this platform easily. Today I want to share about this website and how will you get paid from collecting email. Offervault, you can earn from here by using this website. Pay close attention to understand. So after coming here, you will get these amazing features, and lots of products are available on this platform. $240 is the type is lead, and category is available, and network is here, and updated is also available here. So what should you do after coming here? Just if you click on this category from here, and you can select anything. As you can see here, I would like to select this one, payday loans. Then if I want to get lots of product over here, there are lots of product you can source from this awesome interface. Now I would like to choose another one. Alright, if I choose this one, cashloansmax.com, CPL and United States categories from here, and you are watching, and you can watch this one, $230 and lead and financial lead generation payday loans, and this one is that on this website. And if I open this website, I will get the amazing characteristics about this Offervault.com. Here is a offer details, financial lead generation, payday loans, and this one is $230 and United States also. This the description of this product is the per day loan, payday loan for short term needs, allows consumers to receive money from 100 to 1000 USD. I mean 100 to 1000 USD is usually repaid within 30 days from the loan original date. So this one is the description about this Offervault.com. You must know there are lots of affiliate offers. They are willing to pay you to promote their offers, their services, and their product. This company will pay you to generate lead. Generate lead. I have to choose a specific offers from here. If someone submit emails and informations, they will pay you exactly, right? And if you click on this interface, and you will get about the total criteria of this cash loans max.com. Need cash, you should get up to 1000, only 2 steps from. So if you just search on this here, and this one is range 100, 200, 300, 400, and up to $1000. And here will be needed zip code and email. Just you have to click on this get started on this platform here. Get approved in as soon as 10 minutes, and 3 simple steps to get the money from this platform easily. So what should you do after coming here? And then if I here is a registration form. You have to fill up this form at a glance. And now this one you have to select English, Polish, Russian, etc., and company name, login name, surname, username, email address, confirm email address, country you have to select from here, and then postal code, region. All the informations you have to provide before creating an account on this platform easily. So after doing this, you can start your journey. You will get this super link for starting your affiliate marketing on this product. And then if you come to this previous interface, and after joining this one, after filling up this form, you will get a link to start your journey as an affiliate networker. So how will be benefited after creating this account on this platform? If someone submits email and informations, they will pay you $330 from this website, and they click on join network, and they get affiliate links. Actually, this is especially links that someone clicks on them, the personal email, they will get paid. This is the best and secret way to start your journey on this platform, affiliate marketer. So first of all, you have to create an account by providing more types of informations on this leadsmansion.com, and as you can see here, and then you can start your journey. Now I'd like to share how will you share your magic link, product link or secret link to get benefited or to earn extra cash. In this video, I want to share step by step, and pay attention to understand properly. After joining this one, and you will share that links on different types of platforms, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and other interfaces. So now I would like to share another one. If you come to this facebook.com, you will search on weight loss, and you will get lots of groups or pages to get a new relation to promote your links, affiliate links. You can share directly your affiliate links on this website, on Facebook or Facebook group or Facebook pages. That will be totally spam or total scam. So if you avoid this process, I'd like to share another one, And now I have written a note on this marketing policy. Now I have written here about weight loss. If you are looking for how to lose weight, then I have an opportunity here, and but you must meet these three criteria. You have to write your messages to your visitors or to your clients on facebook.com or different types of groups on the social media. I think number one, you need cash within the week, 1000 plus dollar. And number two, literally you need financial assistance, not just money to spend on money. Number three, comment info. If you would like me to message you about this more information. So, and then you have to select this one from here, and then you must go to the any types of weight loss group. So after coming here, if I paste this one on this group platform, and then you have to provide your link here. Just click click here. Just you can paste the link which you will get from this website. I think after creating an account on this cashnewsmax.com, you will get links for starting marketing on this Facebook pages. And then boom, this is the best and easiest way to start your marketing or sharing process on different types of platform. I mean Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, interested. If you post more and more, most of the people will want to get connected with you, and you can start your journey for earning. Or on the other hand, you cannot provide the link, then just I have posted this one on this platform. Most of the people will comment on this post which I have created on this group here. So after doing this, you will get lots of visitors or lots of people from these groups here, and then you can get connected with them and make a good relationship to promote your affiliate link from here on this website. I think Offervault.com. Then this is the best and easiest way to get your earning from this social media. I mean social media. Facebook.com or Twitter or Pinterest, etc. So you can follow this step by step. Thanks for watching this video. Till then, I cordially request to subscribe my channel Make Money Online if you didn't subscribe, and click the bell button to get all types of notifications from this platform here. And if you appreciate my videos, please like and share more and more with your friends and family members. On the other hand, I also cordially request to subscribe my first channel. This is called Learning and Earning Tube, and also want to get lots of videos from this YouTube channel, and get connected with this one. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.